Welcome back, guys. Welcome to your 43rd tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about another form element, and this element is actually called a text area. Now, a text area, the most simple way I can put it is, you know those single line text fields that we had before? It's just a big text field. Now, what is the point of having a text area then? Well, certain times when you're making forms, you're going to kind of want to push your user into leaving more than a single line of text. For example, if they're like on a dating website and they need to leave a biography about themselves, or maybe they're posting an ad on eBay and they need to write a description about their item. This takes more than a single line of text, so whenever you want the user to enter like one word, give them a single line of text. But whenever you want to have them enter like a couple paragraphs, you're going to need to give them a text area. So that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. So the first thing that I want to teach you guys is exactly how to add that text area, and you do that by using the tags. Can you guys guess? Text area, and you also end it with, can you guys guess this? Text area. Now, of course, just like every other tag, not every other tag, but every other form element, it takes the name, and let's go ahead and make that dating website. We'll have this area be the biography. And by the way, by default, it has, you can have text in it like type something here. And whenever you save this and refresh it, that is the text that appears in the text area. But in general, you probably want to put something about it like, tell me about yourself, right there. So now, whoa, actually, not right there. Embarrassing. So tell me about yourself. And then go ahead and add a line break so it doesn't look weird, and refresh it and check it out. So this would be, the startup of an awesome dating website where, you sign up and now you got to fill in your biography, telling them, bragging about yourself and, how much money you make and how good your eyes look. So, you can go ahead and delete this and start typing. But, you're the designer of this website and you say, this is not nearly enough space for me to brag about myself. I need this to be wider and taller. Well, thank God you got me, because I'm going to show you how to do that. Unlike height and width, this attribute is a little bit different. It's actually made up of rows and columns. Now, the exact size of these rows and columns, I'm not even sure of myself, but I think they differ from browser to browser. But anyways, if you want it to be taller, you need to change the height of the rows. I think it must be like 2 by default. So let's go ahead and push it up to 8. And now let's save this and refresh and check it out. Our text area now gets, why is this little thing right here? Whoa, I didn't even know you could do that. That must be something new in Google Chrome. That's pretty cool. This is my first time figuring this out. Anyways, by default you see that the rows get taller. Really? Texting me in the middle of a tutorial. Let's see who it is. Embarrassing. I'm not even going to tell you guys who that was because it is too embarrassing actually. So anyways, rows changes the height of it, and change the width of it, just go ahead and put COLS. This stands for columns, but who the heck wants to type out columns? Evidently not the people who made this up. So let's go ahead and change this to 40 or something and save it and see what we got. Refresh it, and now it's 40 columns, however long a column is wide. So now you can see that this is probably enough area for me to give them a good biography about myself. So what can I say to persuade the ladies to date me? Well, my name is Bucky and I have an overactive bladder. That would probably persuade them. And then I'll, throw in the punchline, want to get dinner sometime. So this is usually when I go out. That's the line I usually use, and it works about 100% of the time. So, if you ever get stuck, you can use my line. So you're welcome for teaching you about text areas, and you're also welcome about giving you a good pickup line whenever you go out to clubs and stuff. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys for this tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. Now you know about text areas. Now you can move on. You have my blessing. So yeah, don't forget to check out my website, check out my other videos, and I'll see you next video.